Hi guys, so I'm going to quickly show you how to size and make an envelope using the free templates in Cricut Design Space. So if you go click on New Project, you're going to click on Images, and in your search bar just type envelope. And although a bunch of different ones come up, you are going to click on free if you don't have access subscription. And for the purpose of this exercise, we're just going to use the first one. Click on it and say add to canvas. So in order to size the size of your actual card, what you can do is you go into shapes, click on the square. Let's just move it to the side, and then we're going to size this according to the size of your card. So we're just going to say unlock. Depending on the size of your card, you can change it accordingly, but in the previous video we made a card that was 5 inches by 7. So I'm just going to change that. And that's basically what the size of our envelope should be. So I'm going to just resize this until I find that it's big enough for us. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Perfect. So now that we have that, we can go and delete this. Move it to the edge of the paper a little bit, and then say make it. In this case, our envelope fits on a 12 by 12 inch mat. So I'm going to say continue. I'm going to set the material type as cardstock for intricate cuts. So you can just go in there, say cardstock. There you go. Again, I usually change my pressure to less. On this cut, it just cuts a little bit too deeply into my mat. And then I'm going to edit my tools because I don't have the scoring wheel, I have the stylus. So I'm going to change it and edit it to say scoring stylus. Apply that, and then I'm going to insert my scoring stylus into my clamp A. We can go ahead and load our mat. Once the mat has been measured, it will prompt us to start the cut. Now that our cut has been complete, we can remove our mat and remove the card, the envelope. And fold it. I glued the edges of this card using double-sided tape, and as you can see, the card that we used for the dimensions of this envelope actually fits in here perfectly. There you go.